Hello everyone, this is Sonia from Borderless House. Today, I will introduce our Zhongshan Shuanglian House to you, which is located in a very convenient area. So come on, let's check it out. Welcome to our Zhongshan Shuanglian House. After you enter the front door, you will see the lockers on your left-hand side. You can keep your passport, your money, or anything important here. It's very convenient. And here, this is the living area. You can see we offer the television, Wi-Fi box, smoke table, and also sofa. You can enjoy your time with your housemate here. And next, I will introduce the kitchen to you all. So come to the kitchen. This is the dining area. You can enjoy your dinner with your housemate here. And come. This is a microwave, rice cooker, refrigerator, and also oven. If you enjoy for cooking, come here. We also offer some pots and pans. Everything you need for cook, we all prepare. And come to the back. This is the laundry area. You can do your laundry here and also hang your clothes for drying here. Okay, so this is the all common area of this house. If you are interested in this house, please check the link below. And next, I will introduce the environment and transportation of this house.
This is the area map of Shuanglian Station. It takes 4 minutes on foot from the station to our house. There is a convenience store, supermarket, U-Bike station, and a very famous night market, Ningxia Night Market nearby. This is Taipei Metro Station. We are now at Shuanglian Station. It's just 2 stops from Taipei Main Station. If you are going to study Chinese in Taipei, here is the information of closest stations for each language school. Guting, Technology Building, Dongmen, and Da'an Park.
I hope you like this video today. If you are interested in our house, please send us an email. And if you need more information, please find us on Facebook or Instagram. The link will be around me somewhere. And I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye!